Hello everyone, I don't think you can see me too well. This is early morning. We're here in Milton, Ontario at the Britton Tract trailhead. That's where we're starting this morning. So join me and let's explore. Say hi, Willow. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome once again on another hike exploration here. And today we are visiting Milton, Ontario, Canada. And this is under a 5-kilometer hike here. It's this hike is called the Britton Trail, the Britton Tract Trail. And I have to tell you guys, this is quite an easy hike. It's an easy hike. As you see in the video, you'll see it's not much elevations in the trail. It's you see it's a man-made gravel path, which is easy to follow and well marked. You can't get lost on this trail, not whatsoever. It leads you right around. I'm on the last track. I'm on the last end of this trail, and like I always do, I like to start my videos just before I finish. I have to tell you guys, this trail, you saw the time, well, you didn't see the time, but you saw how early I started. It was dark, right? Considering that, this is a very popular trail. I was the first one here, and I as I started getting a little brighter as I kept going through this trail. I saw a runner. I saw a person walking their dog, just as I'm walking mine. And I also saw 3 people also with dogs. So definitely this is a great trail for walking your dog and for going for a little hike. The small elevations, there's nice trails that come off of this one, and you can put yourself engulfed in the forest. You know, you can go off trail a little bit and enjoy Mother Nature. As you see, nature's beauty, like it's calming and it's natural. As you see it, I got some natural flowers in this view, as you see in the video that I took. You see the autumn colors changing. This is a beautiful time of year. And then at one point in the video, you see I come out to a marsh area where you see the autumn colors changing in the background. It's a nice lookout spot that I followed on this trail. It led me to this beautiful view of the forest in the background. But definitely, guys, if I was to rate this trail, I'd rate this trail, I'd give it an easy 4. It's definitely a 4. The only downside from this trail, there's not really much downside when you're in Mother Nature, but you're surrounded by forest. I think it's the gravel pathway. If it didn't have a gravel pathway and the pathway is more like this, so it's all dirt, it's a pathway. And this is another one this is off trail I'm going now to do this video, and if it was all this kind of a pathway, it would be an easy 5. I don't know, I find these kind of pathways where it's natural and it's ground. It's not asphalt, it's not, you know, it's not gravel or anything. Those pathways speak to me more, right? But don't get me wrong, this trail, Britton, Ontario, Canada, it's a damn really good trail to come check out. I definitely recommend this trail to come check out, to enjoy this beauty of nature, these natural fall colors changing, these flowers that you don't expect to see, and just beauty of nature. What can I tell you? Definitely, it's nice to get out into the fresh air and enjoy the calming beauty of nature, is what I call it, the calming beauty of nature. You can't get any better than this. And the people that you meet along the way on these trails, as I did today, very nice people, very nice, down to earth. They're out here for the same reasons as you are, to get some peace of mind and enjoy the beauty of nature and the calming effect that it does on your mind. And it's how do you say it? It's like therapy for the mind without the therapist, right? Your therapist here is nature. So I'll definitely recommend it. Give it 4 stars, a strong 4 stars. Come check it out here in Milton, Ontario, Canada. I definitely look forward to checking out other trails here in Milton, Ontario, Canada, because this one definitely makes me want to come back for more and check out more. So till the next one, guys, get out there and happy trails.